Well, the rain has set in and it doesn't look like it's going to let up anytime soon. I'm going to cover up the mill and we'll get on this paneling when it stops raining. Hey guys, well, it's been a very wet several weeks here in Oregon. I think the horse agrees. We're back at it today. We got a little break in the weather, so I'm going to finish up this half-inch paneling for the interior on a friend's treehouse that he's been building. Last summer I milled board and batten siding for the outside, and today we are making paneling for the inside. So let's get to it. Now, before the rain shut me down last time, I did start milling on this Douglas fir, but this log here, it has a pitch seam in it, and the pitch built up on the blade so quickly that the blade ended up diving in the cut and leaving a big notch in it. So that was the point I wrapped it up. What I'm going to do is flip this over 180 and start cutting from the round side and get as much paneling out of this piece as I can. Well, not surprisingly, I've got pitch building up on the blade. Water alone isn't going to work in the lube tank, so I'm going to go down to the house and grab some pine sol to add to my water bottle and get rid of this pitch on my blade. Now, adding pine sol to your lube tank does two things. It helps keep the pitch from sticking to your blade and building up, and it also helps your Douglas fir smell like fresh cut lemons. I put about a cup per 5 gallons. I'm going to put a little dish soap in there. To avoid making it a foamy mess. Take that off. Now I'm going to need some 9-footers and some 6-footers that I'm going to take out of this log. It's got a pretty good bend in it on this end, so I'm going to cut it off here about 9.5 feet, and that will give me 2 fairly straight pieces of log, and I won't lose as much trying to cut it full length. Well, that's going to do it for today, guys. I've got all the lumber milled up for my buddy, who I'm actually trading this lumber for some metal roofing that he took off of his shop, 80 by 12 and a half, roughly. So I'm looking to build a sawmill shed and a cover for our RV with that. Pretty stoked about that. So stick around. I've got some awesome new stuff from Olight to show you this week, as well as a new tool Monday next week. Some cool new stuff from Milwaukee. And I've also got some cedar and a giant chestnut tree to mill. So stick around. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.